Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Here is your girl D, who loves all things on sale. Here, day 2. So in this video, I am actually donating back to the Goodwill. Yes, I do donate back to the Goodwill. So I've done kind of like a winter sweep of my closet, and I am going to be returning some items. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be returning. I normally, what I do is I actually sell the items, but this time, in order for the thrift gods to come to you, you have to donate to them as well. So this is how the favor comes. Like, you walk into the favor, you know, like you go to a thrift store not knowing what you want, but somehow you leave with something. And so I think this is my way of repaying the thrift gods for, you know, giving me the items that I wish for. And so I am going to pack up my closet. Well, I've already packed up my closet, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the items that I'm going to be donating, and some of them I have never worn before. So yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, come on, let's go. Alright guys, so this is the bag that I will be taking to the Goodwill. So we're gonna see just a few items. It is Marcus has some of his items in here, and so let's see what we got. Okay, we have some shoes here, and y'all, I don't remember what I threw in this box. So oh, we got some black boots. I don't think I've ever worn these, y'all. I don't think I've ever worn these. I think that with boots, my calf muscle is so huge, and then they're really small with some boots, and I think with these boots, I think they didn't stay up. But y'all, these are like super cute, right? Yeah. Look, the receipt is still in here. Let me see where. Oh no, these are not the receipts to this. But yeah, we got black boots here. Let's see what else we have. Go in here. Go. Okay, we have some khaki pants that I've never worn before. What's the good? Oh no, not this shirt. I like this shirt. No, I can get this shirt right. This shirt is one of my favorites. My gosh, I might have to go thoroughly through this. This is like a spaghetti strap shirt. I'm kidding. I have Marcus shirts here. Here's his shirts. I have a tank here. Sorry, no tank. And then I have this. This is like a jumper. I think I bought this off of Poshmark, and I didn't like the way it looked on me. The lady that was wearing it was pretty cute. I'll put a picture up here and see, let y'all see how it looked on her, but it was super cute on her. Bless me. Okay, what else we have here? Oh, I'm taking this stuff. I love this jumpsuit. Y'all, this is like a vintage jumpsuit. I don't know if I want to take this bag. I don't need to go through this bag because I am not going to want to throw away, like give away any of these. But y'all, get into this jumpsuit that I have found at the Goodwill one time. I think it's too big. I think that's why, but that was a steal. And it came with a belt. Not belt right here. What else we have here? Oh, we have a skinny top. I'm giving away here. Never wrong. Oh, look at this. I'm giving away the vintage suit here. I'm not thinking.
vintage shirt. Oh, why would I? No, ma'am. I'm keeping that. Okay, so I have a keep pile and I have a donate pile. Honestly, I think that one day I just started throwing things in this bag, and I don't think I thoroughly went through the packing bag. I'm glad I'm doing this, so I can thoroughly go through it all. Here's another summer shirt. It is cute. I don't think I've ever worn this neither. I don't know if I think I have. Here's one of the ones. But it is really cute. It's like a summer shirt. Very cute. Find stuff in my hand. I had this dress that this is like, wow. I had this super cute body dress that I've never worn. It's like body fitting. It's cute. And it's like a halter that wraps around your neck here. And then it has an opening right here. I don't think I've ever worn this dress neither. Cute date night dress. Somebody is gonna be like, oh my god. Yes, I have a sweater. This is a sweater. Oh, this is my sheer top here that I got from H&M. I got from H&M for $5. Never worn it. Look at it. Look at it. Why? 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 Just why? Okay, yeah. Give that and some sweatpants here. Oh, I have another vintage shirt. Why am I throwing away my vintage shirts? Oh my god. Another vintage shirt here. I'm keeping this. What am I thinking? Like, what? I'm not throwing my items. I got some workout gear in here that I'm returning. Got some tank. This is like a leopard tank here. It's like a leopard. That. What else do we have here? Oh, this dress here. I thought this dress was super cute. It is for Forever 21. The material is really good on it though. I think this is like one of their premium selections in Forever 21. You know, like how those things get really expensive. But I do believe that I purchased this from Goodwill. But it is a wrap summer dress that I thought was like super cute. I don't know if I want to donate it though. Nah, I'm gonna donate it, yes. So the thrift guys can definitely look after me. Oh, this is Marcus' shirt. No, this is a dress. Oh, this is a little blue jean dress, y'all. I'm gonna put, if I wore some of these, I'm gonna put them on the stream for y'all. Look at there. Okay, yeah, that, when I had that almost didn't fit, so I know that needs to be. Oh, I have another one of these shirts. Look at this shirt right here. Oh, see, okay, so let me give y'all a vision of what I wanted to do with this. And so, this is a dress, but I wanted to cut off this part and make this into a top, which I still can because I really love how like asymmetric it is. And it's a tube top dress, and it is really a cute dress. It really is. I like the design of it all, but I felt like I could do so much with this top. I could do like some white high-waisted pants. I could just dress this up. I could actually wear this as like a bathing suit top, like a cover up, and then have another cover on my bottoms. But that was my vision for this when I bought this. But you know, I'm gonna give it away. I'm gonna give it away so the thrift guys can send me more items. This is cute. I've worn this before. It's like a cute summer top. I'm throwing away mine. Oh, my mama house coat. My mama house dress, not coat. Throwing away this. This is cute. I don't know why I'm throwing away this. See, this is not good, y'all. No, I'm gonna keep it in the donate pile here. Trying to think what else I got. I have sweatsuits in here. I have this suede. This is actually a name brand. I don't know what the hell. Okay, what's this? Oh no, this is my friend's. I gotta keep this. That's my friend's leggings that she let me have, and they're so comfortable. And so when I put them on, it reminds me of her. So I definitely want to keep those. Oh yeah, this is like a halter top. I do have a set for this. I don't know where it's at. But oh yeah, there's the set. Some pants. The shorts. A short set. I think this came from Shein. And where is the top at? Oh, this is the top. So it's like a tube top and then shorts. And yes, I am definitely not changing my mind on that. So yeah, guys, that's the end. Not unless I find some more items that I want to go ahead and donate as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to go and donate these. All right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.